So this is the new Canon Pixma TR4500 series. This is a Canon printer. It's a new one. I just unboxed it, and I'm going to show you how it looks like and all the features that comes with it. So stick around and come along with me. It's a new printer. I have some other printer I've used in the past, but those printers don't work good anymore. So I lay my hands on this in the store, and I want to try it out. Let's see how it works. Canon products is always, most of the Canon products I've used, starting from my camera, they have been very, very good. So hopefully this will meet my expectation and even go beyond it. So let's see how we're going to set it up and start it. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So here's the manual right here that comes with it. And inside the manual, this is the warranty. Another booklet, the safety sheet right here. And this also comes with it. And a disc. So basically right now I think we're gonna need the disc. I'm gonna need the manual. So anytime you got a new equipment like this, always make sure your best judgment is the manual. Always make sure you go through the manual. Very easy. Most of the manuals that come with printers, computers, they are always very straightforward to use. So anybody can easily understand it. So, and make sure to keep it handy as well. After setting it up, sometimes along the way you might have issues with the equipment. If you still have the manual with you, you can easily go through it and see what you can do in the manual. So manual is very, very important. Always keep it and always make sure it's handy with you. Do not trash them. So yeah, I'm going to go through it now, the setup and everything that comes in the manual. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting this Canon printer with my Android phone right here. But first of all, we're going to do the setup. So here's the cord that comes with it. So I plug it in the cord outlet right here, and make sure to go plug it in the socket. So that way you can you can on it, and then make sure all the orange tape that comes with it, make sure you take them out, because the tape is meant to secure the printer. It's meant to secure the printer during shipment. So make sure to remove them, then you can be able to set it up properly. Okay, so now I did that, and I'm going to insert my ink. So here's the ink cartridges. It's 2 cartridges that come with it. So it's the color ink, and the black ink. So yeah, you're gonna take the tape around the ink out, and then you're gonna insert it. There's one at the bottom. I took it out. So make sure all the orange tape, make sure to take them out. So we're gonna insert it just like this. And make sure it's clipping. And the second one, just like that. Okay. And then that is good. The ink is good. So we're going to cover it, close it. And then here is the paper tray right here. And so I press the setup button right here. And it's going to tell us to set up our Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So device settings, feed settings, maintenance. So those are all the menus on it, and that's it. So I'll go back to my Wi-Fi settings, and I'm going to press OK. Okay, so it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. Just follow the instruction on the PC or smartphone. Okay, so right now I'm going to install the app on my smartphone, and I'm going to show you. So I have to go out from the subscribe now, and then just click on the cancel button at the top left. Then let's connect our printer. Let's see, connect. So select a brand. Okay, it's a Canon brand. Okay. Okay, so it's searching for the printer. I think I need to set up my Wi-Fi information on the printer. So yeah, let's troubleshoot first. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do now. Input my Wi-Fi info into the into my printer. So let me quickly do that. I'm going to click on setup. I'm going to enter the printer series up here. The printer series is 3 TR4522. Okay, so I'm gonna enter it right here. Always look at the side of the printer. You always see the series there. And then here it is 44522. So here's my printer, and it's going to connect. Okay, so it's going to show us all the process. So this is the setup process right here. Just go through it first for the sake of this video. So step-by-step setup process on the screen. Just click on the arrow and it's going to show you each step. Okay. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video of the printer, how I was able to print directly from my phone and the computer. So watch out for that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe below, and turn on your notification bell so you can be the first person to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure it's clipped here is the paper tray right here. Here's our paper tray.